Hello and welcome. I'm here to answer your spiritual questions as I'm a professional psychic and intuitive. This is the most powerful amulet and symbol that I have known to date. I always recommend it for those suffering cases of envy, jealousy, and negative energies that we often make us an easy target. The pentagram acts as a balancer of forces and energies. It expresses the domination of the spirit over the elements of nature. With this magic symbol, we can command and conquer the elemental creatures that populate the regions of fire, air, water and earth. How to use the Tetragrammaton? This five-pointed star was often carved on the wall at the time of building a house to protect it from all negativity and to keep all spirits outside. When placed in the threshold of the home or above the main door, always facing towards the outside, it brings protection and wards off all negative entities and spirits. The tip of the star should always face upwards to invoke positivity and peace. Some say that when the tip of the star is facing downwards, it calls for the dark or negative energies. While the Tetragrammaton has been used as part of various designs over the years and in many different materials, I always recommend getting a silver pendant. You can have one for the car, one for the home, and one to carry on yourself, around your neck, or in the form of a ring or other jewelry. How to cleanse and consecrate your pendant? Before you wear your amulet, cleanse it with a bit of cotton soaked in sea water, rainwater or salt water. Then dry it using cotton as well. Place it in the light of the full moon all night. Before the sun comes out, pick it up and wear it. Don't let anyone touch it other than you. This symbol of protection is very powerful, and once it's linked to your energy, it can become hostile towards others. What is the meaning of Tetragrammaton? Tetra is equal to means 4 in Greek. Gramma is equal to means graphic or letter in Greek. Tone is equal to when added to the end of any word. This Greek particle denotes the union of 2, 3, 4, 5 or more units or letters in a single name or unit. Therefore, Tetragrammaton is another way to say the 4 Kabbalistic letters, Yod, He, Vav and He, without pronouncing them. It acts as a magic Greek word or a mantra of an immense spiritual power that synthesizes in a single unit that which in the Kabbalah is used to name God. The Tetragrammaton is made of many different symbols, each with its own meaning. They are pentagram, Alpha and Omega, eyes, and 7 planets. Let's see each one of them. The pentagram is formed by a 5-pointed star or rays that intertwine, symbolizing the union of the unequal. Its 5 points correspond to the fecund union of the masculine principle, the 3, with the 2 of feminine principle. It is the idea of the perfect. The flaming star, symbol of the raw material, inexhaustible source of life. As light or radiance, it is symbolically related to the spirit and the force of the universe. It also symbolizes the human microcosm as a transformation of the Pythagorean pentagram. Each of the points of the pentagram represents one of the 4 traditional elements: water, air, fire, earth. Akasha is the upper point and represents the spirit. Alpha and Omega are 2 Greek letters, the first and the last one. Alpha is equivalent to the letter A and has been designated as the philosopher's stone. It symbolizes the perfection and eternity of the divinity enclosed in the expression Alpha and Omega, the beginning and end of all things. The eyes in the upper ray of the pentagram are the all-seeing eye of the spirit, the invisible vigilance that is always present in everything. It symbolizes the attention and care that we must have in order to accomplish something. It is meditation, activity or discipline by which the human being undertakes the task of mastering thought to destroy the negative elements of the mind. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.